Hi guys, welcome back with my channel. On this video, I will to show you how to change case in Microsoft Word. It means that change the letter to big letters or small letters in the paragraph. And the second step, I will tell you how to use align left, center, and right, and align justify in Microsoft Word. And next, I will to show you how to make align spacing in Microsoft Word also. So if you want to know that, let's start practice all together. So now I have a some paragraph and I want to change case to uppercase. It means that to big a letter. How can I do that? So first, click on the text like that. And next, click on this button. And the name is the change case button. And click on this. And next, find the word uppercase. This one. Because you want to change the paragraphs to uppercase, it means that the big letter. So click on it. Okay, check the result together. It means that all the paragraph, all text will change to uppercase or big letter. Okay, I think that you understand. If you are changed to the lowercase, it means that wants to show the small letter. Click all the paragraph like that and click on this change case and choose the lowercase, this one. So the paragraph is changed to uppercase to lowercase like that. That is a result. And one more style, if you want to make the big letter show before one word, you can select all the word like that and choose change case this button and click capitalize X word. So you see that after one word and one word will show the big letter. That is an example. And if you want to change the normal paragraphs, click on your text here like that. And next, click on change case and choose the sentence case like that. So I think that is a normal result display on the side. Okay, so I finished with the change case in Microsoft Word. So I go on with how to set align left, center, and right, and justify. So for example, if I start like that, it means that this is align left. And you can see that or you can know that because you stand on here. And this is align left. But if you want to make your text stand on the align center or stand on the center of side, you just select the text like that. And next, click on center this button. So the text will change from left to center. Anyway, if you want to change your line center to right, select the text like that and click on this button. So the result means that the text will change from center to right. So I think that you understand this step. I go on how to set the justify in Microsoft Word. The align justify very special. You know that. What is align justify in Microsoft Word? The align justify is mean that prepare your paragraph is good. For example, check on this paragraph and I draw the line here like that. Okay, you see that the line of the paragraph is not equal. Start and end is not equal. And I want to equal the paragraphs. So I just select on my paragraph like that. And next I click on align justify. Okay, check the result together. So my result will display the paragraph. It means that start line and the end line is equal. So this is the result of align justify. Sometimes I know that the align justify, we always know that in magazine, newspaper. So you can prepare your paragraph like that. Okay, you can try. So the last one, if you want to make your line spacing is a long line spacing. So how can you do that in Microsoft Word? So now you know that the line spacing now is normal and I want to change. So I select the paragraph like that here. And I click on align spacing on this button and I choose the number 2 of the align spacing. Okay, check the result together on this paragraph and with this paragraph. What is difference? Okay, it means that the align spacing on the first paragraph is longer. And if you want to back the align spacing, just click on it and click on align spacing button and choose number 1. Okay, ready with the line spacing. So with my practice and show you at the moment is ready, and I hope that with my projects can help you with your work. Finally, if I have a mistake, I will let you say sorry. Okay, goodbye. See you in the video.